Can I?
Stinks. Are you copying me?
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really behind on opening my Ipsy bags. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
I have a helper. I have 2 bags that I have not opened yet, and then I have one on the way. And I'm sick right now, and so I'm like, I gotta get it done. So here's my bag from April. Yeah, this is my April bag. And yet it's still in the package because I don't open these until I actually film them so that everything's authentic. So I want to make sure my reaction is, you know, exactly that. So I do not open these until I get the camera out and film it. So I'm behind, like I said. So let's get to it.
It's a butterfly bag.
That is so cute. At first I was like, oh, it's purple, that's cute. And then I flipped it over and it's, oh my gosh, that's adorable. I love it.
It has butterflies on it.
Butterflies, and then it's purple on the back. So, oh my gosh, that is really pretty. Oh, yeah. I love this bag.
Let's see inside it.
Let's see inside it. You want to unzip it? Unzip it. Okay, pull something out. Let's see what it is. Hashtag tag your Manny. Hold on, Adriana. Keratin and calcium infused nail polish. So we got some nail polish. OMG. What color is it? It's baby blue almost.
Yeah.
My favorite color. Like, what are the odds
blue
that I'm gonna get? There. I'm really stoked. Baby blue is very popular, fun, favorite color in this house. So I know that she's gonna want to wear that. Aren't you gonna want to wear that?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Tidal, like Tidal Wave Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. I'm not sure which is the brand, and
Can I?
Stinks.
It stinks.
Yeah, I don't like you want to smell? Are you copying me?
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
It's very blood.
It's very blah. Yeah, it doesn't smell very good at all. I don't know what this is for though. Apply to clean skin. Hydrates, brightens, exfoliate. I'm gonna have to look more into this. But it's, like I said, that's what it is. Okay, let's. Social Butterfly. Social Butterfly is this month's theme. Well, not this month. April's.
Can I open it more?
Yes, go ahead. Purlise. Purlise. I'm gonna say Purlise because it's got the emphasis. It's got a line above the U, so I'm gonna go with Purlise. Coconut oil and coffee, sugar body scrub. I love me some sugar scrub. Salt scrub is a little too harsh. Sugar scrub I love because it's not as ouchy. And so I will definitely be using this in my next shower. Zoom in on the product. No, I'm just trying to get it to zoom in on the product, Adriana, not us. Whatever. Hopefully they got it. So annoying.
Oh. Bubbles.
Bubbles. She loves bubble wrap. Let's take this out. All right, we've got
It looks shiny on the very top.
It is shiny on the very top. We've got a product by, oh, I've gotten one of these before. Not one of these, but like from this brand. Mana, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Beauty Simplified Eye Candy Priming Shadow Stick. It's really cool looking. The color's interesting. Last one. We've got a box that said Dirty Little Secret. I like it. I mean, the name alone is fun. Let's see what's inside of it. We have lip gloss. OMG, lip gloss time. Wait, so what is it? DLS. Oh, Dirty Little Secret. DLS for short. Lip gloss. It's got a color name. Nude Beach. Well then. Okay, let's try it on. Adriana, let's not do that, please.
I'm making a big castle.
A big castle?
How does it taste like?
Adriana, you don't want to eat your lip gloss. That's just yucky.
No, what tastes on your lips? What tastes on your lips?
It doesn't taste like anything, Adriana. It's light colored, but I mean, enough that it gives me a little color. Oh, cute stuff. What do you think? What do you think of this bag?
Cool, I'm gonna pop the bubbles.
Cool. I want to pop the bubbles. All right. Here's our stuff. We got the lip gloss. We got this water cream, enzyme water cream. We got this eyeshadow primer stick.
Baby blue.
Baby blue nail polish. And this sugar body scrub. So I love, oh my gosh, and then the bag is adorbs. So I love it. All this cute stuff. Bloom. And the cute bag for only 10 bucks. So, I mean, you can't really beat that. I really liked this month's bag. April's bag. Yeah, I definitely dig it. So, what do we say? Click subscribe. Like this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Say peace out.
I want to touch it. I can't reach. I can't reach, Mom.
Don't touch the screen.
I thought
And bloop.